Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the pen tool. Thank you if you came from my last video. If you didn't, I'm Ramsey and I'm going to be teaching you the basics of Adobe. So today we're going to cover the pen tool and the curve tool. So the pen tool is very simple. It draws straight lines. You can make any shape you'd like with it. Then you can do this. You can use the anchor points and drag them wherever you'd like if you wish to change it or round it in any way. It's very simple. There's also the curve tool, which does the exact same thing, just with curves. It can be very fun to create general blobbiness. That is the technical term, I believe, blobbiness with it. I'm going to create a couple of just simple squiggles with my tool today. I'm going to go to the stroke. Now I'm going to pick this yellow. Then I'm going to adjust it just to make it a little bit more orange, so that it stands out on my background. You may be thinking, oh, well, we can't see it. That's because the stroke is too thin. What we're going to do is we're going to go here to the stroke and we're going to up it to 12 point. Next I'm going to rotate it. Just hover over the box until this little arced arrow tool appears, and then you can rotate. I'm going to put it right here. Now you may be thinking, well, now that's a line. What do I do with this line? I don't like how it's square at the end. Or I don't like how it's very uniform. What you can do is click on the stroke and add caps, which are just little dots at the end to make them look different. And you can also change the profile, which is how they represent that it appears on screen. Make it brush strokes, look like brush strokes, more uneven, very even, stuff like that. I personally prefer this last one. I think it gives a nice drawn quality. Now you may have noticed that a couple of times I've clicked and it's gone to my big yellow box in the back instead of what I want to do. To remedy that, we're going to go over here and we're going to click on the layers panel. This should be here by the default. And then we're going to go down to my rectangle. It's at the very bottom, and we're going to click here, and it toggles the lock. So now I cannot click that. I can click on everything else, but I can't move it anywhere. I'm going to make a few more squiggles with my curve tool, just for fun. I'm going to make it look like my other one. There we go. Now I'm going to show you how you can make a shape with the combination of these tools. I'm going to make a heart. Again, if you hold the Shift tool key while using this pen tool, it'll create a straight line at an angle. So that's what I have. And now I'm going to use this arc tool. I'm going to hit escape first, and then I'm going to click here, here, and here. Okay, it's not doing what it's supposed to right now, so we're going to try again. I'm going to show you another method. Now we have this stroke. We're going to click off of it, and we're going to go here. And we're going to click like this, and we're going to hit escape. Then we're going to click here. Sorry, let me do that again. And we're going to create another one. There, we have those very pretty strokes. I'm going to bring them all together. And what we're going to do is we're going to hit Make Compound Path. No, wait. And now they're all joined, but that's not actually what I wanted to do. But that's what Make Compound Path does. I'm going to rotate them. And then I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on this anchor point and this anchor point. And I'm going to join them. So now these should be one path. I'm sorry, it's not working. Anyways, that's how the tools work. Because it's not working right now, I'm just going to group them so we have our Kinda Heart all together. And I'm just going to move them here. It's a bit avant-garde if you think about it. Thank you, and I hope you join me in the next tutorial.